Welcome to the first devlog detailing the creation of When You Bring a Knife to a Gunfight. Before we get to progress this month, let me tell you about the game idea, as this is the first devlog. When You Bring a Knife to a Gunfight is a game where, you bring a knife to a gunfight. When you bring a knife to a gunfight, it's a bullet hell roguelike inspired by both Enter the Gungeon and Archvale. The twist in the game is when you bring a knife to a gunfight is that the player can only use melee weapons compared to the enemies who, they have guns. Now, for the progress so far. This month was started by working on a very basic and short movement script. After that, I started working on the weapon script. The weapon script allows the weapons to rotate around the player, as well as swing. It doesn't look very good at the moment, but it's functional, and I can easily expand it for the other weapons that I have planned in the game. After this, I started creating the enemy, and I got it so the enemy was firing, but I haven't messed with the AI yet. To finish off the month, I spent a few days working on the game's art. Next month, I plan to finish the weapon system, as well as the enemy system, adding some AI to the enemies, give the player some more movement options, probably a dash, as well as start creating the game's first level. If you'd like to stay in touch with the development of When You Bring a Knife to a Gunfight, then make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching.